Hi guys, so if you're craving the legendary mince spice egg toast street food from South India, you are in the right place. So today we are cracking the code on egg Kothu Parotta. You know the struggle, sometimes it's too dry, sometimes it's too mushy, and sometimes it just don't have that authentic roadside flavor. But today I'm going to show you the one secret ingredient and the famous technique to do that perfect fluffy spicy mix right in your own kitchen. This is a one pot meal ready in 20 minutes. Perfect for a fast dinner or breakfast or a late night craving. So for this you will need parottas, spices and about a mountain of hunger. Get ready to be addicted. Ready for the full recipe? Then hit that like button, subscribe and let's get that spicy, savory street party started. So now let's begin with this recipe. So first take 2 parottas, cook until it is nice and golden brown and crispy. Then simply roll the parottas as shown and cut the parottas until nice and thin. You will need it nice and thin strips of parottas. Then simply leave it in a separate plate. We are going to use this later in the recipe. Then in a hot pan, add oil. Add 3 garlic cloves chopped, 1 inch ginger chopped, 1 green chili chopped, 25 to 30 curry leaves, and then fry it for a minute. Let the ginger garlic get a nice golden brown color. Something like this. Then add 1 onion chopped, 1 tomato chopped and fry it until the onion and tomato is nice and soft. So the onion and tomatoes are nice and soft now. Then add 4 whole eggs and keep mixing it until it gets a nice scrambled egg texture. To do this, you just need to scrape the bottom of the pan. As you can see that I'm just scraping the bottom of the pan. Make sure you have a wooden spatula or else you will damage the pan. As you can see that it has got a nice scrambled texture. Make sure it is something like this. Then add some salt to taste. Add 1 stock cube, 1 pinch turmeric powder, half teaspoon red chili powder, half teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala, and then cook the masalas with the egg for about 2 minutes. Let the egg nicely soak all the masalas. Then add the parottas which was previously kept and then give it a nice mix. Cook the parottas for about 2 minutes. Then add handful of chopped coriander leaves and then give it a nice mix. So the egg Kothu Parotta is ready. And there you have it guys, that perfect bite, flaky parotta, that spicy smoky masala and that richness of the egg. It's a perfect combination for the perfect recipe. If you love this recipe then please give this video a big thumbs up. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.